Hi, these topical talks gonna show you how to set up invite tracker bot in Discord server. So first of all, open invite-tracker.com and this is the official website for invite tracker bot. Once you are here, click on login and click on authorize, and all you have to need just log in to invite tracker bot using your Discord account. Now click on invite and select the server where you want to add the invite tracker bot and click on continue, authorize, and ensure that you are a human. Once the bot add date, now go to the bot website again and click on dashboard, and here you will find your server where you update the bot. Just click on configure, and now here click on invite tracking, and here you can define the amount of days old an account has to be before it is not counted as a fake invite. Once done, scroll down and click on join messages and enable these option and select a channel where you want to send join messages, and here you can change invite messages. I'm going to leave as it is and clicking on save changes, and now let's send a test message. Going to my server, and as you can see, test message has been successfully sent. Okay, now I'm going to join to this server from my second Discord account. So I'm going to clicking on my server name, clicking on invite people, and let's copy my server link, and this is my second Discord account. I'm going to join to the server from this account using the invite link. Just clicking on accept invite. Once done, I'm going to my first Discord account, and here you can see invite tracker bot send me this message. Niloy has been invited by Ekramul and has now one invite. So this is how we can actually set up invite tracker bot on our server. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.